How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video to look at Mrin, Marin Software, I believe is how it's pronounced. Good day for this one, guys. I mean, you guys obviously know, been a crazy couple past days. That's what I meant to say. Low of $1.56, high of today right there at 28.24. Unbelievable. I mean, there's so much. This is like a textbook breakout. I mean, even before obviously it's pumped on news, but I mean, look at this. Boom. New high, fell below it, broke, and then it came back down to support, then boom, broke this level, fell back down, double tapped, and then when it broke it, it skyrocketed. So if there's is this stock gonna move, just compare your stock you're looking at to MRN here, and this is a nice textbook breakout with good volume. I take you out to the 1 year 1 day chart here, and you see that the past couple of volumes have been absolutely crazy. Today, being on the daily, I guess it's technically red, but it's still green, just the way that the stock works. But still, around 40 million shares of volume, definitely very good for a $20 to $27 stock. That is unheard of, really. I do want to. Okay, so if you're looking at this from a long haul perspective, I mean, if you bought, I would not hold this overnight. It is too risky for me. It may be your strategy. I mean, you do have some support at 21.56. We'll take a look at support in a second. I want to break down the earnings. Negative 36, negative 38, negative 22 cents. Last earnings, negative $22. Very, very bad. But take a look at the news in a second. 3 year chart, next earnings report is coming out 8-6, so I'm quite around a month away from today. And hopefully it will be good. And I mean, I don't think it can be any worse, to be honest with you, with negative $22. Come on. Yeah. So support wise now, you do have some great support, like I said, at that 21.58 level. Support at resistant now at VWAP right there at 24.19. We go to the 10-day chart here. Oh, come on now, 5-day. I mean, if it would break that 21.50 level, there is support at 18.89, $19 as well. It looks like there is support at 22.53, resistance at that VWAP, like I said, at that 26 level. So there's a lot of people trying to hold this down, and I mean, you can see the orders coming in at 337. They're still coming in, so it's very good. A lot of eyes are on it, really. So many articles featured on it today. You guys obviously can pause the video here and read any of this. I mean, look at all these. 28, 29, just boom. Absolutely killer. This is exactly what you need in a pump. You need strong news, strong volume, and hold levels. That's exactly what it's doing. So PT, where can this thing go? Obviously, we're in uncharted territories for this stock right now, and I mean, this weekly candle absolutely kills. You do not want to see that. For a pullback, you really want it to be below the close of the other candle. Like, you would want this to be a 19 and trade at 17, and you would not want this long wick either, because that's just like definition of a pumping up. So next week, or maybe even this week, it closes around 25, and then next week we'll see maybe a dip down to that 25, and then a surge up to 30, 35. It just depends on where this thing can go. Guys, trading your plan your trade, not financial advice, just breaking down my analysis here. It's really iffy, guys. I'm not gonna sit here and say that jump in on this one and you're gonna make money, because it's very risky. If you do get in, make sure you have a tight stop and know your price target. Get in, get out. You can always get back in, guys. I wish you the best on MRN. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop it down below. And in the Patreon, we alert you around this one at the $5 mark on the second day. So hey, we were late, but in grand scheme of things, still got a nice almost 6%. I mean, 6 times your money. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. Click the link in the description box down below to join that Patreon. All right, see you in the next one.